Hello viewers, this is Palace Kiddies Crafts. Today we'll be making a simple keep safe pencil and fan. Take 2 rectangular sheets of colored paper of dimension 25 centimeters by 20 centimeters. Fold them to form the fan. So we'll be folding in this form. Put some designs at the edges. Pick the second one, design the edges. Fold them into 2 equal halves so that the edges meet each other. Place it aside. Fold the second one. Fold and staple each at the center. Fold and staple, then apply some glue to hold the center together. While we are waiting for the glue to dry a little, we would make the cut out the pieces that forms the decoration on the surface of the fan. So we'll cut out the wash and sanitize piece first by drawing the shape on a yellow sheet of paper and then cutting it out. These shapes with the oval, we need 11 pieces of those. Draw and cut out the shape of the hand on this brown paper. The fan template should be ready for gluing now, so we'll glue them together at the middle. Place that aside. Glue the second one. Then we place them edge to edge. Apply glue again to hold the 2 pieces together. We'll put it aside to dry a little before sticking it to the second piece. So while we're waiting for that to dry, we need to put some writing on the dumbbell shapes that we have cut out. So we'll arrange them and write coronavirus, keep safe. We'll write the wash and sanitize. Put together the 2 edges and glue the 2 pieces together to form. Turn over the fan and then cut a circular piece of paper to glue over the center part. Pick the pencil and then fix it just towards the middle. But before fixing it, we'll be putting some glue on the pencil and wrapping round a piece of paper just around where I've applied the glue to hold it firmly to the point where it will be meeting the fan. So wrap it round it in that form. Apply glue to the place where the pencil will be tucked in. Tuck in the pencil gently and then hold together, leave to dry. Flip over and begin to place the pieces that are meant for the upper part of the fan. Once it's dried up, it's ready for use. Hope you like the video. Thank you.